town. Come and look around. Magic, fun, and learning too. So many things to do. Mimi leads the way for a bright new day. Bobo laughs and plays in funny, silly ways. Twinkle flies so high, learning as we fly. Coco loves to care. Luna thinks things through, finding answers just for you. Max is brave and strong. Come and sing along. Let's learn and play today. MimiTown feels so peaceful today.
Everything in MimiTown was calm, just like every normal day.
I feel like I forgot something.
But something strange was already beginning.
Who are you? And then,
The moment broke everything.
it's me, Mimi.
She didn't understand what just happened.
Luna! It's us.
Even Bobo didn't understand what was happening.
I don't know this place.
Her memories were fading, like mist.
But they didn't give up. We will help you, remember? No memory response. Just silence. Nothing. Nothing. I can feel something broken.
A strange energy was hiding inside her memories.
We will bring her memories back.
And the mission began to fix what was lost.
Remember? We always played here.
Bobo thought their favorite game might bring back a memory.
I feel like I've seen this before.
A tiny feeling appeared, but the memory stayed hidden.
We are best friends, Luna.
Mimi hoped friendship would be stronger than forgotten memories. For just 1 second, a hidden memory tried to return.
Wait, I think I remember something. It's gone again.
The memory vanished before she could understand it.
Twinkle noticed something nobody else could see.
Look! Something is hiding here.
The missing memories were breaking into tiny fragments.
I can collect these memory pieces. Let's work together. The only way forward.
Was together.
I hear Mimi's voice.
Always remember, I love you.
The fragments were beginning to speak.
Maybe this is a clue.
The memory fragments had left a trail.
Let's follow the clue. The glowing symbol guided them toward a forgotten place.
Before them stood the forgotten memory garden.
We finally arrived. This place feels familiar.
For the first time, Luna felt a connection.
I found something!
The garden was hiding pieces of Luna's past.
What happens if I touch it?
The flower carried a hidden memory.
I remember this.
A forgotten memory finally returned.
You remembered.
Hope began to return.
Memory mission success!
Bobo celebrated a little too early.
Ah!
Only one memory had returned.
I still can't remember everything. We have to continue.
The memory garden was not finished with them yet.
One special leaf chose Luna. This leaf is glowing.
The leaf showed a memory she had never seen before.
I see another place.
Where is this place?
It was somewhere beyond MimiTown.
Luna, what did you see?
Everyone wanted answers.
I remember a valley, but not why.
The memory was incomplete.
The memory tree is reacting.
Something inside the garden was awakening. The garden was no ordinary place.
The tree is awake!
The next clue was waiting beyond the garden.
We should follow the path. Let's find the missing memories.
Their journey was no longer about remembering the past. It was about discovering a hidden truth.
Luna, I heard someone call my name. What did the voice say? It told us to follow the light. This must be the place. I promised to protect something.
A forgotten promise was hidden inside her memories. I was protecting the memory crystal. The truth was finally beginning to appear.
The crystal absorbed your memories.
The mystery finally had an answer.
My memories are coming back.
The lost memories finally found their way home.
I remember everything now.
Their friend had finally returned.
We'll always stay together. Some memories may fade, but true friendship never disappears.